So I've been asked to make a statement this coming Friday for H2O's 305 HOSS tournament. H2O. Finally, I make my debut. It's funny, you know, I wasn't even originally asked to be in this tournament. I'm a last resort kind of guy, I guess. I'm a last minute, last resort replacement. You could argue maybe it's because I've been losing weight, but I know what the real case is. The fact that nobody really wants me. You could argue maybe I'm not a HOSS anymore. Maybe I used to be back in my bigger days. But I like to point out the fact that not a lot of people in the tournament are. Maria Manic. Yeah, you're bigger. Just because you can pick up some heavy stuff does not put you in the place that you need to be. Ace Romero. Where did you come from? A big guy that can do flips? Cool. I'm not impressed. Maybe where you come from, people are impressed by that kind of thing, but I've seen it all. I've seen everything, and nothing you do threatens me. HOSS. That brings me to Bull James. I know who you are. I know where you come from. I know your history. I know where you... Bull. Don't think for 1 minute that your history, my history, our history is going to make me roll over for you. You see, I come to 305 for H2O to spread a message. A message that pro wrestling needs. Pro wrestling needs to be destroyed. Pro wrestling needs to be rebuilt. And at H2O, I'm going to tear down that building, starting with Ace, Maria, Bull. And then when I win this HOSS tournament, that's when we go to the next level. Follow, execute, abolish, rebuild. H2O, what do you fear? Last resort Joe Gacy, you're not going to see me coming.